Okay. A pleasant and blessed morning to everyone, especially to our Zoom participants, to our Regional Director Gilbert T. Sadsad, to our SDS Danilo E. Despe, to our ASDS Sheila Laguda, to all the CID and SGood heads and staffs, to our school heads present, students, and of course, to our FB Live viewers, and similarly, to our 500 registrants in this 3-day division level webinar on career psychoeducation for grades 10 to 12 students. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Okay, so this free webinar is an activity of the PHNHS or Perpetual Help National High School Guidance Office in compliance with Republic Act number 11206, otherwise known as the Secondary Career Guidance and Counseling Act of 2019 and Memorandum DMOUCI 2021-0015 of the Office of the Undersecretary for Curriculum and Instruction, or the Career Guidance Program for the school year 2020-2021. So the said activity purports to guide and educate students in their career planning and choices. Specifically, it aims to help students explore career pathways and opportunities, understand the trends in the labor market, address job mismatch and unemployment, and lastly, promote career education by inviting different schools to promote their course offerings. On the first day, our resource speakers will be discussing the multiple career development pathways toolkit. On the second day, tomorrow, we have our leaders, PES Office and Jobs 180, which in totality will get our students fired up on their career decision making. And on the third day, we have invited schools to promote their course offerings so that our students in senior high school will be acquainted of the admission requirements and the courses offerings available in every schools. Okay po? And of course, we hope that you will join us until the end of the webinar. So we hope that you will be part of the 3-day division level webinar. So we are inviting po lahat ng senior high schools ng Iriga City Division and also other divisions to participate in this free webinar. Okay po? Kasi we believe that career, actually this webinar is also for elementary and even in high school, because I believe that career starts in an early age, 'di ba? So habang bata pa ang mga dapat na-acquaint na sila ng kanilang career. Okay? Okay, enjoy watching. Keep safe and may God bless us always. Thank you very much.